Okay, so this is my sticky board. I have created sticky board for the purpose of creating little notepads. Now sticky board allows you, think of it as a big board and a big table. On this table you can put little sticky notes. Now let's start with new note. You can drag the notes around here. You can create as many notes as you want, drag them wherever you want. You can make it big, you can make it small. You can type anything in here, and it does not have any formatting in it. It is plain text. So this is what you can do. You can go as low as you want, and there is a scroll bar which appears. If you want, you can even resize it for less scroll bars. You can zoom in and zoom out. Zooming in and zooming out is done with the help of the middle mouse button. So you can zoom in as much as you want, zoom out as much as you want. As you can see, when you zoom out, you go right out, you can see a wider portion of the table. Now some use cases for something like this would be if you have some kind of you want to segment your project, or you probably have a lot of things to take note of which fall under different categories, and you don't want to create a mess of everything. So generally previously what you would do is you put all your notes into one place, which means you put it in the next line, then create headings for it, and then scroll all the way up and down. So this eliminates that. This makes full use of your wide screen. If you have a wide screen, make complete use of it. This allows you to take perfect advantage of that. You can put things together, arrange them the way you want. So when you drag anywhere outside, that uses your left mouse button and drag along. You can drag the whole table, or you can simply take the mouse carefully over just one thing and drag it. So generally the thing is not draggable from the bottom, it's draggable from the top bar. So when you go to a note and you drag it, it's only from the top bar. Now it has options like close, archive, minimize. You can change the color to whatever color you like, and my favorite is just the gray. And here is also text size. So when you click on this, you can make the text smaller. You can reduce it to whichever size you like. So each time you go here, you make it smaller, then it disappears. So you have to click on this again and again. I know it will be a little bit annoying. Probably I'll update it later. So here you can have different text sizes and different boxes, and there is the option of new note for creating new notes. These new notes can be adjusted, and there is snap to grid in case you want to arrange things neatly. This is a bit annoying with I might have to change and make some updates to this. It is annoying to grab a note because you cannot grab it and move it in the area where the name of the note is. So I might probably have to do something about that. So just for the time being. So this one will allow you to drag it easily because there's a lot of space which allows you to get this top holder, for just like Windows. For any Windows, there's a holder on top. So here this allows you for that, so it prevents the holding. So you need to take a little bit above. You need to experiment with that. You'll get the hang of it. Now if you are lost in this canvas, click on recenter. It brings everything in the center. And archive cabinet, that lists all the archived notes which you archived. If you click on archive, if you don't want to completely delete it, just archive it. It goes into this section and hides from your view. It gets out of the way. then this is to delete it. This is it's not exactly close, but it's a permanent delete. So when you click on this, it permanently deletes it. And there is nuke board. Nuke board will destroy everything. It deletes everything on this board and it's totally empty. So be careful when you use this option. It does display a warning when you click on this. And now generally this board is not for someone who wants to store data. This is not a place for you to store data because it uses local storage, that is your browser's storage, temporary storage. Now if you reset your browser, if you clear your cache, if you change your device, your data is gone. So just remember that this is ideal for some notes that you want to take for the day, for now. If that's the case, then this is a great tool for you. It's not a tool for storing long-term data. Now let's say if you have a lot of data and you want to migrate this data, or you want to save it or back it up, then it's a bit of a pain, but there is an import and export facility which is there. You have to export your data onto a JSON file and then you have to import it back. So that is some manual process that you'll have to do. So since this is not a cloud platform, there is no login, there is no logout. You just access the app, use it, and that's done with it. So now one good thing about this app is that since it uses local storage, if there is a power failure or suddenly a system hangs or crashes or whatever, you come back to it, your data is intact. So that is one good thing. And yeah, so I guess that covers most of the things here. And this is me, Bradford. My email address, in case you have any comments, suggestions, you can send me an email. Donations are always welcome. That is always a good thing. And yep, so this is all about it, and hope you enjoy using it.